What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the best chains to use if you have $100, $1,000, or $10,000. And same thing, guys, you can plug in whatever number you want. But basically what I'm trying to explain to you is what are the best DeFi protocols to use if you have a little money, middle money, or a lot of money. First off, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, well, I just had some nature's candy and I'm hyped. All right, guys, if you don't know what nature's candy is, it is watermelon. If you don't know what watermelon is, well, you need to get yourself a watermelon. And guys, here's the trick. This is like the coolest trick ever. If you want a super sweet watermelon, make sure it's got that yellow belly and make sure it's ultra round. The rounder they are, the sweeter they are. The longer they are, the more non-sweet they are. Anyways, guys, let's go and get into this video. But three things for me. Really would appreciate it. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribe. You will automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. So guys, if you want some free BTC, you guys know what to do. Let's go and get into it. First off, guys, we're going to start with $100. What is the best chain? Well, me personally, from experience that I've seen, is Matic. Why Matic? Well, there's also XDAI as well. XDAI just does not have any adoption like Matic. I am using some on XDAI, but Matic has the most adoption. It has the most farms. There's a lot of degen farms on there. There are a lot of quote unquote blue chip. If you don't know what blue chip means like your stable ass or more stable assets. But guys, take everything with a grain of salt because you are in crypto. Crypto is about as volatile as it gets, man. So crypto, me personally, I think is like a girlfriend. One day they're like, ah, man, you're the best guy ever. And the next they're like, what the pants is wrong with you? Give me a drink, make me a sandwich. Oh, okay, Johnny, whatever you need. So that's a little bit about volatility. So they have degen farms, they have quote unquote blue chip farms, which would be like your Quick Swap, Sushi Swap, and Aave. Yes, those are just farms and they are considered blue chip, but they are still risky. So don't just be like, nah, they're not risky. So that's just an idea to keep in mind. And the reason why Matic is the cheapest is I'll explain it like this. Well, you got a lemon and you got one other lemon and another lemon and you got three lemons and now you can juggle. But no, we aren't going to talk about lemons because we aren't making lemonade. But the reason why we choose Matic is because if you have $100 and you're paying transaction fees on Ethereum that are going to cost you $10, well, you guys have seen these farms. You make at least 3 or 4 transactions before depositing into a pool. You withdraw, redeposit. Well, all those fees are going to eat up all your money. So if you don't have any money, well, you can't make bananas. I mean, bananas are really good. You can't just waste your money on these fees. So me personally, from experience that I've seen is Matic and XDAI. XDAI just doesn't have anything on it much right now. I'm sure it will come soon, but Matic right now is where it's going to be at for $100. You can yield farm. You can play in the degen farms if you want to do that. And the fees are not going to eat it up because they're like fractions of dirt. Even with congestion, they're probably fractions of a rock. How much is a rock? Well, they have some outside. Just go look for some. They're there on the floor. That's the price you're going to pay. Second, now we're going to talk about farming with $1,000. Well, with $1,000, you have a little bit more wiggle room, but you aren't ready for the big boy chain yet. The big boy chain is Ethereum. With $1,000, you have a little more flexibility. Yes, you can still use Matic, but now you can use chains like the Cosmos ecosystem, which will be like Osmosis. You will have things like Terra Luna. You'll have Persistence One, or you have Binance Smart Chain. So you have several different chains that you can use. Me personally, I don't think $100 is good enough for Binance Smart Chain. If you're going to go back and forth with all the DeFi, staking, whatever, etc., $1,000 is a lot better to play around with, like the degen farms. If you're going to use $100, you can use it on Binance Smart Chain or Phantom, but make sure you guys take advantage of those auto compounders. Make sure your strategy is going to be a lot more long term. So you can't really use these degen farms in and out because the fees are going to kill you. So with $1,000, you can do a little more in and out because the fees aren't going to just destroy you or wreck you. So Binance Smart Chain, you can use Phantom, you can use Avalanche, you can use Terra Luna, Cosmos. Again, you can use a lot more, but you're really just right now at this time just priced out of Ethereum. So basically everything but Ethereum for about $1,000. Now anything over 1,000, or I'd say up to 5,000 to 10,000, or more, obviously. Oh, anything over 2 or 3,000, you can start playing on the big boy chain on Ethereum, but please keep the transactions to a minimum. So take advantage of the auto compounding, take advantage of the restaking, make sure you guys do the math every single time. So like, if you're like, oh, staking rewards, let me claim it every day. No, guys, on Ethereum, it's a little bit different. You want to find a strategy, throw it in there, let it sit there a couple months, maybe 2 months, and then claim your rewards, redeposit. This isn't something that you auto compound every day or every minute, because those fees are going to eat you. And the best tips for playing on the big boy chain is make sure you transact either on a Saturday evening, a Sunday evening, or Sunday midday, or anything on a or even a Friday evening. Those are going to be your best times to transact, because there are not a lot of people playing in crypto at that time. However, there are some times that they are, but it's more than likely that those are the best times. The worst time to transact is probably on a Monday or a Tuesday. I mean, just like period throughout the day. The Gwei is like nuts and ham, because people wake up on Monday and Tuesday and are like, I need to go farm some cake. Oh, I need to go farm some pants. Oh, I need to go farm some chicken leg. Oh, I'm sure it can wait, because the banana is still yellow and we can eat the banana. And the lemons, they're still ripe, so we can make some lemonade and juggle. Oh, dude, I dropped one. Behind the back. Oh, snap. Those are the different options that you can use if you have $100 for DeFi, $1,000 for DeFi, or $10,000 or more in DeFi. And yes, guys, there is such a thing as staking. For staking, you would have to do something on Ethereum, because that's where most of it's at, or on the native chain that is on. So like, for example, Cosmos, it'd be staking Cosmos. So me personally, like if you're wanting to stake, yes, you can participate in Ethereum 2.0 staking, but you're going to be transacting with that money. Or if you're trying to stake like Matic on the main Ethereum chain, depending on how much you have, me personally, from experience, if you have like $1,000 or less, fortunately, you have to, not have to, but it's better at that point in time to go with a centralized solution. So like Celsius, they'll pay you like 12%. But once you get up to like 2, 3, 4,000, then it's worth it. I've experienced and used Matic before, and there were a couple times, actually one time, where the validator wasn't claiming any rewards. I didn't get any rewards for a whole stinking month. At least my stake didn't get slashed. So it was one of those things like, hey, look, lesson learned, but it is what it is. And your stake is locked, so you can't just move it immediately. But anyways, guys, those are a couple of options so you guys can check out. Again, I'll go ahead and re-summarize this. $100, look at Matic, XDAI. Anything over that, so like $1,000, or obviously you can do more. You can do everything but Ethereum. Yes, you can play around with Ethereum. Make sure you guys take advantage of those auto compounders, and only just, you can't do degen farms on Ethereum with $1,000. If that degen farm's going wrecked, well, you're going to be wasting so much on fees. So it is not worth it. The risk reward is not worth it, in my opinion. Once you get to $10,000, have at it. Do what you want. Go to Ethereum, go to Phantom, go to Avalanche, wherever you want. Like, it's big boys. You made it. $10,000. Have fun. Just make sure you transact like either Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and try to time your auto compoundings at the best time. So don't just be like, oh yeah, I'm going to auto compound every day because that's the best thing to do. No, you got to make sure the math makes sense. If you're auto compounding like $2, $3, you're going to be paying more in fees. Anyways, guys, hope this video helped. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys do 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribe. You will automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And Proverbs chapter 20 verses 2: a king's wrath strikes terror like the roar of a lion. Those who anger him forfeit their lives. Guys, don't make that king angry. You know what happens? He says, eat my lemons. And he's like, I like bananas. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb bomb. So next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.